I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com on Monday, May 21st. And in this video, we're going to look at bullish engulfing patterns. FFIV, F5, sold off like so much of the market over the last few weeks, right? So today, we got a bounce. Now, it's a classic reversal pattern. Now, how far the stock moves up, that's for another day. I would look here and say like to about there, perhaps there. What we're looking for is all the pockets of resistance here. It's a kind of a big pocket, and that would be right in this general area. Why? Because there's a lot of folks who bought here. There's also what you could say a double top, maybe even a triple top here. So there's just a lot of resistance over here. But still, what this is a situation where the stock gapped down in the morning below Friday's intraday low. Okay, so the maximum power of the bears on Friday was 112.34. The stock opened up today at 112.04, so it opened up lower than Friday's intraday low. Advantage bears. Stock pushed lower. Then, throughout the day, the stock trades higher along with so much of the market and closed where? Stock closed up above 117.43 is where it closed. The prior day on Friday, the high was 116.99. So the open was below the intraday low of the prior trading day here Friday, and the close was above the intraday high. Now, what does that tell us? It tells us that there's been a complete reversal of power in the stock. The stock, first of all, has been in a downtrend from 140 down to 111 or so, something like that. That's a downtrend. So by gapping down and then moving up through the prior day's intraday range, the only way a stock is going to do that is if all the selling aggressiveness is done, all the selling's done, and that's being replaced by buying. The one issue I have with this is volume. What you want to see is you want to see really heavy volume on this reversal. Now, it's kind of okay. Friday, a little bit heavier than average. Monday, today, a little bit heavier than average, though not like Friday. I'd be much happier if Friday we got this kind of volume here, the big volume spike followed by a green volume spike of about that length or that height. So what are we going to do here? I'm looking at this as a short-term bounce. Now, if you're an options trader, maybe you sell some puts under here, 110, maybe 105 puts, maybe write a bull put spread. But if you're just trading the stock directionally, I think long is the place to be, but only until the stock gets up into the mid 120s. You trade this thing for an oversold bounce, and that's pretty much it. That's this kind of market. And members, you're going to see when I go into the strategy session, I got about 25 stocks I'm looking at. You are going to see that a lot of those stocks are great buying opportunities right here, right now. Of course, they were better this morning, right there, right then. But they're good buying opportunities, but there's so much overhead resistance that you got to be careful. I don't want you to get so eager that you jump in with both feet and expect this kind of move up. We're not in that market environment. The market is not trending higher. It's an oversold bounce. There's opportunities to be exploited, but they're not necessarily what you think they are. So we're going to go over that in the strategy session. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you next time.